is Nurul Ashikin binti Rosli. We are from Group 2. The title is The Impact of Global Oil Price on Business. Introduction is rising global oil price is an important economic issue that affect many countries, including Malaysia. Oil is used for transportation, manufacturing, electricity, and business operation. When global oil price increase, the cost of fuel and energy also increase. This situation causes business to spend more money on daily operation. Next is causes of rising global oil price. Geopolitical conflict in the Middle East, supply chain disruption, transportation problems, production cuts by oil producing countries, increase in global demand for oil. Also, Malaysia also affect because oil price follow international market price. Next is increase. Business spend more on fuel and energy. Transportation and logistic industry highly affected. Airlines face higher aviation fuel costs. Also, manufacturing company pay more for transportation of goods. Restaurant face higher costs for food supply, cooking gas, packaging. SMEs are more vulnerable due to limited finance resources. That's all my parts.
My name is Sharvin, and now I'll be continuing the presentation. I will be talking about higher prices of goods and services. So, for the first one, businesses transfer higher costs to consumers since the oil prices are more expensive. Transportation fares will also become more expensive. Food prices increase due to higher delivery costs, and consumers face higher cost of living. Customers reduce spending on non-essential items, and retail and tourism businesses may face lower demand since the oil prices are more higher. The transportation fee for people to go from place to place, it will be more expensive for them. And yeah, I will be passing it next to my colleague.
Hello everyone, my name is Farish. Today I will talk about reduced business profits. First, businesses cannot increase price too much because customers may not buy their products. Second, higher costs will reduce company profits. Third, SME also face greater financial difficulties, and small businesses struggle to balance costs and customer demand. Fourth, companies may have reduced employee benefits, delay salary increases, or reduce workers. Lastly, rising costs can also create cash flow problems for businesses. Next, I would like to talk about uncertainty in business planning and investment. When the economy is unstable, businesses find it difficult to plan budgets because costs and profits may change unexpectedly. As a result, companies may delay expansion plans, hiring workers, and purchasing equipment. Investors also become more careful during uncertain times. They may avoid risky investment and wait for better economic conditions. In addition, high oil prices can increase production and transportation costs, which may slow economic growth. Because of this uncertainty, businesses' confidence decreases and investment opportunities become limited. Thank you.
Next on my part is the risk management strategies. So there are three. First is risk reduction, second risk transfer, and third one risk acceptance. So for the first one, risk reduction, cost control and energy efficiency. This improves operational efficiency, use fuel efficient vehicles, reduce electricity usage, improves delivery planning, invest in energy saving technology, and also encourage employees to reduce waste. So it helps lower operating costs. And for the second one is risk transfer, which is long-term supplier and fuel contracts. By signing long-term contracts with supplier, secure stable fuel and transportation prices, use fixed price agreements, reduce sudden financial risk, helps businesses plan budgets effectively, and large companies, they may use insurance and hedging strategies. And for the third one, it is risk acceptance, gradual price adjustment, increase prices slowly and carefully to avoid sudden price increase. So by this, they can introduce smaller product size, promotions, loyalty programs, so we can maintain the customers' relationships and continue business operation during economic challenges. In conclusion, rising global oil prices have a significant impact on businesses in Malaysia and around the world. Higher oil prices increase operation costs, raise the prices of goods and services, reduce business profits, and create uncertainty in planning and investment. For example, just like how the oil prices now in the world is, the price of the oil are going up fast because of the war that is happening in the world now. So businesses, especially SMEs, face many challenges because they must balance higher expenses with customer demand and competition. If not managed properly, rising oil prices can affect businesses' sustainability, employment opportunities, and economic growth. And that's all from me, from this group, and thank you very much.